Guys, I am getting so many revelations recently. I really do believe that Jesus Christ is returning very soon. Look at this. At least 50 wounded after explosion rocks gas station in Rome in huge 1776 ritual. Guys, everything just seems to be by numbers. Even looking at this fire engine with the 115. 11.5 is when the presidential election was. Right? Now, Pope Francis resided in Rome. He just died on the Queen's 99th birthday. And he died 74 days ago. And now in Rome, on 7/4, this happens. At least 50 wounded after explosion rocks gas station in Rome. Remember, Francis resided in Rome in the Vatican. Now, Donald Trump, who I believe is the Antichrist, ended his presidency as the 45th US president at age 74. King Charles III, who has the spirit of the Antichrist, was coronated at age 74. Revelation 7:4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed. And there were sealed 144,000 of all the tribes of the children of Israel. Remember, King Charles was born in 1948, the year that Israel declared its independence. Now, 74 days is 1,776 hours. 74 times 24. 1,776. So how incredible is it that 74 days is 1,776 hours and USA, the United States of America, was founded 7/4/1776. Yes, guys, the Declaration of Independence for the United States of America was coded. If this doesn't prove it, I don't know what to say to you. Now, these 1776s that I've put together, these are in my Trump book, my Queen book. The first day in office for the 47th US president, which is Donald Trump, 1,776 days after COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic. And Donald Trump is what? The father of the vaccine. The Bavarian Illuminati were founded in 1776. The same year that USA was founded. Interesting. Queen Elizabeth II, remember Pope Francis died on her 99th birthday, was born 1,776 days after Prince Philip was born, who she was married to for 73 years. Princess Charlotte of Wales is the second child and only daughter of William, Prince of Wales, and Catherine, Princess of Wales, a granddaughter of King Charles III. She is third in the line of succession to the British throne. And remember, guys, USA declared its independence from Great Britain. This is unbelievable. Okay? The Kingdom of Great Britain. Wow. And Princess Charlotte of Wales was born exactly 4 years after Osama bin Laden died, and a span of 1,776 days before COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic. Remember, the Queen died 911 days after COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic. And Prince Philip died at age 99 on the 99th day of 2021. And 9 times 11 is 99. Donald Trump claimed he witnessed 9/11 first hand. Israel was attacked by Hamas 911 days after Prince Philip died. King Charles III was born a span of exactly 911 weeks before the Church of Satan was founded. Now, a gas station in Rome exploded on the 249-year anniversary of USA being founded. Matthew 24:9. Then shall they deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. This is about the persecution of the saints, of the reborn believers, and it is coming to every nation. You are going to witness Christians being killed for their faith. Watch. But Babylon is falling. Revelation 18:2, and he cried mightily with a strong voice, saying, Babylon, the great is fallen, and is become the habitation of devils, and the hold of every foul spirit, and a cage of every unclean and hateful bird. If you don't believe that these numbers are not revealing, you are intentionally suppressing the truth in unrighteousness. Wow. Please like and share and support this work, because I am working myself sick to try to lead people to Jesus Christ. Satan, you are a defeated foe, and I will keep exposing you. Take care. Please like and share. God wins.